Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change contact color on iPhone. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Now, tap on Contacts at the bottom center. Here you'll see all your saved contacts. Select any contact you want to customize. Once you're on their contact page, tap Edit in the top right corner. Next, tap on Add Photo at the top. From the options, select Monogram. Now, here's the key part. Tap the color palette icon. You can now choose your preferred background color for this contact. Pick any color you like, then tap Done. Preview how it looks, and if you're happy with it, tap Continue, and then Continue again to save. And that's it. You've successfully customized your iPhone contact color. This works on all iOS versions with the monogram feature. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Drop any questions in the comments below.